Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really happy to come back to see you again. So in this video I'm talking about how to convert your text to text document to HTML code with clean code with a simple step and easy to convert. Okay, let's go ahead to create together. The first thing you need to do is you need how like text file. Okay, let's let I create tag edit. Okay, like this. So I need to convert all this text into HTML. So I don't need to try to write code like this or like this. How about 1,000 of line of text? Why you need to spend that time to write that code? So I want to recommend you to use online website. Then you can convert this text into HTML document. Okay, let's go ahead to the Firefox here. Okay, you need to go into the website. It's called web2html.net. This is my favorite website that can help me to convert any kind of text into the HTML file, the HTML code by a simple step. Just copy in this place and you can edit it, change style, change font size, change font style, change text color, and change text style and alignment, and include all this. Okay, you can upload the file Word as well, Word, PDF, OpenDoc, or TF or text file, and then you can convert it to HTML. Yeah, you can embed any image, but it should be pro version. You can buy it. Okay, so let's go ahead to copy our text here. Copy it, and going back to our website and paste it by Control V. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, and here this is stack of HTML. Okay, here URL. Okay, so you can remove that link. Okay, like this. Okay, so now it auto generate the HTML automatically. Okay, so now you can clean your HTML. Okay, it looks great, so you can copy it by Control A and Control C, and go back to our text file. As you can see, here is our HTML. Okay, thank you for watching and hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you have any question, please ask me about any document, other website or something else. And you can suggest any topic that let me research to create any tutorial for you. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like it. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and see you soon.